Joining us today on Morning Blend is Bryce Carter. He is a CIO and financial advisor, Financial Strategies Group in Okemos. Bryce, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Okay. Everybody's a little all up in the air right now. The reports we're in a bear market. Talk about the difference between a bear and a bull market and what that means for investors.
Yeah, so we're in a bear market right now, as you mentioned, which means that markets are 20% or more off of their highs. Okay. So the S&P 500 just recently, last week, about a week and a half ago, hit a bear market. We're down about 21%. Mm-hmm. The Nasdaq's been in a bear market for a couple of months now. Okay. And so this is obviously coming off of 2019 was a bull market, which is an up year. 2020 was an up year, despite having a bit of a setback there with COVID. And then 21 was an up year too. So we've had some good years in a row, a good run, and now we're in a downturn.
Historically, I mean, what do the trends look like? Is that a cycle?
It is. This happens about on average once every 4 years.
Oh.
So the previous cycle was 11 years long, but that was because we were coming off of the Great Recession, which was a really big downturn. But this happens. It's not something to panic over. It happens once every 4 years. It's a good opportunity to just keep buying.
Right. And even if somebody has not invested, is this the time to go? It seems bad, but maybe this is a good time to start.
Yeah, usually when you're scared, that's a good time to be investing, right? And so everybody wants to wait until things are good, but the waters are never completely clear. There's always something to cause you concern. It's just, I'll take the markets when they're 20% down as a discount, right? Sure. So I'll buy that discount. Yeah. And so I just tell people, just don't focus on these short-term, day-to-day things. Don't look at your statements maybe for a couple months if that helps you. Yeah. And bear markets are normal, and this too shall pass.
Yeah. What does this mean for our economic future? Where do we go from here?
Yeah, so I think this bear market, a big symptom of it is some of the stuff coming off of COVID, but also there's a pretty good chance, about 50% we're in a recession right now. Mm-hmm. So recessions can be long, they can be short. I don't anticipate a really long, terrible recession like 2008, 2009, but I think we're probably seeing some economic slowdown, and that's what the market's anticipating. And so I think that's to be expected with the inflation numbers that we're seeing.
Yeah. And that's why it helps to have a professional kind of walk you through this, guide you through this, instead of just trying to buy stuff on your own.
Right. Yes.
Without a plan.
Yeah, it's amazing. As the market goes down, the search for do-it-yourself financial advice goes way down, and the searches for financial advisors goes way up. So
who've been trained in it and know what they're doing.
Exactly.
Exactly. And Bryce has been trained in it, and he knows what he's doing. You can find him online or give their office a call. Thank you for coming by today to help shed some light on what's happening.
Thank you.